Hi everyone, Phil from Tech for Techs here. Today we're going to be looking at this product from Prevo. It is a 4-in-1 charging station with wireless charging built in. We do have links in the description just below if you're interested in purchasing. Are you looking for a great networking solution? Well, Tender has it all. Finding your BT router no longer has the power? Then try one of these from Tender.
Hell yeah!
Is the Wi-Fi on your laptop not working and you need a discreet solution? Well then get this from Tender.
Hell yeah!
Finding the kids can't get Wi-Fi in the bedroom and they're making your life miserable? Well, you need to get one of these from Tender.
Oh hell yeah!
Looking for a low-cost solution to get internet into your home office? Then you need to get some of these from Tender.
Hell yeah!
For all your networking needs, trust Tender.
Hell yeah!
Okay, so we've got the Prevo charging station here. It's a 4-in-1. The idea is you can wirelessly charge a lot of your devices or even potentially plug the device in to charge it up. So it's basically to charge all your smart devices from earbuds to smartphones and so forth. What it does allow you to do is charge up to 4 devices at the same time. It's got wireless fast charging. It's got a 3-watt built-in lightning connection for charging Apple AirPods. You've got a 2-watt wireless Apple Watch charger on there as well. You've got a rear USB port for additional devices. It's USB Type-C powered. That means obviously you'll need to plug it into a USB Type-C adapter, which shame they don't give you the ability for USB Type-A, but again, that is probably the amount of power this needs to actually run. That will require a 2-amp USB input. So the plugs you plug in the wall for the adapters and stuff like that, you need to make sure they support 2 amps, okay? Otherwise it's not going to work properly or at all. You can adjust the charging stands, can be laid flat and upright, and it's got a charge status indicator lights as well, an anti-slip design. But as you can see on the box there, you can pretty much see your phone on there, you can see earpods, you can see a phone as well. So you've got all sorts of different things on there, and on the back it does give you a lot more specifications on the back of the box as well. Tells you all the features, connectivity and everything like that. Okay, so this is everything what's inside the box for the charging station. You do have a plastic bag which did protect this if it needed. Another thing, yes, it's recyclable, but again, it's one of those things with the environment at the moment, is the less plastic the better. We do have a manual as well, which one side's in English, other side's either Chinese, Japanese or something along that lines. It tells you some of the basics about it there, but there isn't a huge amount of information. In all reality, how much information do you need? You've got a basically 100cm cable, or 1 meter depending on how you want to go by it. It's a USB Type-C which would plug into the actual charging station, and then a USB Type-A which would plug into either a wall socket, into your PC, your laptop or whatever, to take the to basically charge the devices up. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so we've got the docking station here. This is what it looks like when you've got it set up. These 2 bits do go flat if you wish. There's like a little foot on the back of this one, which you can drop it up or down depending on how you want it. This one's quite sturdy, so there's no foot behind it. You can see a little light on the bottom there, so that tells you basically if it's got a power. Obviously when you put a device on it to charge it, it does flash different colours. You can see the back of it from there. You can see there's an extra USB cable, so if you have got a device which doesn't physically fit on here for whatever reason, you can actually plug in a standard USB cable into your device and it will charge it that way as well. So that's pretty good. So therefore, to the future or any devices which aren't compatible. So if you wanted to charge something up, so let's just say this Prevo wireless earbuds which has got a charge thing in it, you basically position it on here. If it doesn't work placing it there, you can actually flatten that down and put it flat like that, and you can probably just see the lights come on as I put it on there, and it does start charging. Now this bit here does seem to work fine for things like a standard size iPhone, but if you've got one of the Pro Max models like I have, it will not charge it. It doesn't physically fit properly. You do have to again place it down, so place the kickstand down and then place it flat on it, and it will then start charging if you get it in the right position. The problem is with these is obviously they're a little bit too big and they don't always fit on the cases, but you can see when it is charging, you can see the little flashing light on the base there showing you it is charging, so it gives you a rough idea. But unfortunately, because of the size of the larger phones, if you have got like a Pro Max one, you do have to put it flat. It just doesn't charge that way up, whereas, as I said, if you put it flat down, it then starts charging if you get it the right position, and then it starts charging it. There we go. So it is a little bit fiddly if you have got a larger phone, but the smaller phones we have tried work absolutely fine. And again, you can put 2 devices, 3 devices on at once, and it will charge them all at the same time. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. It's really appreciated you made it all the way to the end. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and even click that bell so you get notifications of new videos and live streams. It does help support the channel, and supporting the channel basically means that we can release more content for you and also better quality content going forward. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.